This video provides a short overview of Leapfrog Works and the integrated demonstration project to help new users get up and running quickly. When you open Leapfrog Works, even for the first time, you'll notice there is an existing demo project available to open. Be sure to check out the project's notes and comments to help you discover not only what is possible in Leapfrog Works, but also link out to a world of help and training resources. Access the notes by double-clicking it here and the comments by simply right-clicking any object with a speech bubble. In this video, I will use the existing demo project to explain the user interface, the internal project organization, visualizing the data, and interacting with the scene using the mouse and keyboard. When you open an existing project or create a new one, Leapfrog Works will open to the Scene View tab. There are four main parts of the screen. To the left is the project tree, in the center, the scene window, below the scene window is the shapes list, and in the lower right-hand corner is the properties panel. Other parts of the scene include a small main toolbar, the processing task list, and the Leapfrog Works drop-down menu. The project tree is where you will import your data, build your models, and create your outputs. The layout of the tree is designed to follow the workflow. Import all your available data into their respective folders at the top of the tree, build your models in the appropriate folders in the middle of the tree, and create your required outputs in the folders at the bottom of the tree. The majority of Leapfrog Works functionality resides in the project tree and can be discovered through a right-click of the different folders. The demo project contains several types of imported data, including boreholes, a topography surface, a map, GIS lines representing mapped unit contacts, and a tunnel design file. You will know there are items within a specific folder if there is a little black triangle beside that folder. By clicking that triangle, you can open up the folder to see the objects inside. Folders without a little black triangle are currently empty. Data in the project tree is consistently organized so that the object of interest is at the top, and all the components that go into making up that object are sitting below, like we can see here in the Geological Models folder. Residing below the complete model object in the project tree are all the components that comprise the model, such as the boundary, the lithologies, and the individual surfaces and volumes. Any object in the project tree can be viewed in the scene window. To view an object in the scene, simply click and drag it in, or right-click it and select View Object. Once you have objects displayed in the scene window, you can use both the mouse and the keyboard to interact with the scene. I strongly recommend having a mouse while working with Leapfrog. While it is possible to exclusively use the keyboard or trackpad, a mouse makes interacting with the scene much easier. First, to rotate the scene, simply click and hold the left mouse button. Zoom in and out by using the scroll wheel. You can also pan around, either by clicking and holding the center scroll wheel, or if you don't have one, simultaneously clicking and holding the left and right mouse buttons down together. To rotate around a specific point, hover the mouse over that point and click and release the scroll wheel. Again, if you don't have one, you can hold the two mouse buttons down together. You'll notice the scene will now center at that location and you'll be able to rotate around it. Simply click the Home key to stop centering around that point. When an object is loaded in the scene, it also appears down here in the shape list, and when you select an object in the shape list, the respective property panel also appears for it. The options in the shape list allow you to control the object's visibility, color, transparency, and more. This can be very useful for interpreting data and making modeling decisions. The Shape Properties panel adjacent to the Shapes list provides more detailed control over the appearance of the selected object. For more information about the user interface, project tree organization, or interacting with the scene, please check out the links found in the notes section of the demo projects, or work through the training courses available in My Leapfrog.